Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the URL you want encoded and picking a generation method. Enter the exact URL including HTTPS so link behavior is predictable. Then select a generator, a trusted website for quick work, a library like QR Code for Python or QR Code, JS for browser use, or a native OS tool. Also pick output options now, image size, margin, and error correction level. Because those affect scan reliability and appearance, you feed the URL into the tool or call the library API and set parameters. For programmatic flows, pass format, pixel size, and margin values. For websites, choose PNG or SVG depending on print or web needs. Once done, pick foreground/background colors, and if you want a logo overlay, increase error correction to Q or H so scanning still works. Make sure generated preview looks good. Test contrast in quiet zone before exporting the final file. You export the code at the proper resolution. Use SVG for infinite scale or export PNG at 300 dpi for print. Then immediately test with several phones and scanner apps to confirm the URL opens correctly and that any redirects preserve parameters. If scans fail or parts are cut off, make sure the quiet zone is intact. Increase image size or error correction, and revert custom colors to high contrast. Those fixes usually resolve the most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.